Hello and welcome back to another episode of Skids and Donuts where, as you can tell by the title, we are working on the MR2 again. So this is the reference point as to where we are now. We've got a bit of trimming down there, a bit of trimming down there, but most of it is ready to go. Right, we are making pretty solid progress. You can't even bloody tell. Apart from, you know, the gap there and the gap there and the gap over there and the fact it's not attached to the car. But it's it's close. It's been so much just trimming and faffing. But it's looking pretty good. I want it, as I said earlier, as accurate as possible, but we are absolutely getting there with it. Barbie finally arrived, so now we are, again, same process as before, trimming it down piece by piece so it actually sits flush. So this is where we're at currently. We've put a couple of the parts on just to see how well they fit. At the minute, things fit quite well. They might need a bit more fine tuning in a couple areas, and then we can start tack welding. Once the tack welds are done, then we can sort of start shaping different areas, like the sort of thinner sheet metal, shape that in a bit, make sure it's all uniform where it needs to be. But this is a new strut brace connected there in the middle, and then on that side, and then that's our reference point. You've put the bonnet latch on. That's another reference point. And then we can start it back together. So we have a couple of tack welds in at the minute. That's how strong it is with just, what, 3 or 4 tack welds. Yeah, just keep it as that. Yeah. We're attaching things back again, just so we can make sure everything's straight where it needs to be. So far, so good. Apparently they do special gloves when you do welding to stop yourself getting burned.
Yeah. Put them in your hydraulic press.
Hello guys, welcome back to Hydraulic Question. Today, we're going to squish various things.
You're starting to Russian. It was finished. It's finished. I don't even know how you do it with an accent. So...
It's more of a Perkele Satana. Only, where is my vodka? This is our defense against the sun whilst welding. We can't actually see very well with the welding mask on. Right, so not much of the welding side has been filmed, mainly because A, it's sunny, as you can see, so it overheats the phone that I'm using as a camera, and B, it's one of those things that takes bloody forever. We've been out here welding for, what would you say, about 4 or 5 hours at least?
It's close to 6 hours now.
There you go, about 6 hours of welding, and we're still not finished, but we're probably going to call it a day because it's about 7, half 7. But this is where we're at. This ain't going nowhere. We've done most of the stitch welding around this side, done most of the welding on this bit, still a bit more to go, still a bit more there. Most of the arch liner area wheel well is done. Everything measures up pretty well so far. So the remaining tasks is finish off the welding and then absolutely everything else. Unfortunately, my phone died, which is also my camera, but the welding is done. As far as body panels go, that ain't going nowhere. We started doing a bit of seam sealer just to test. We don't want any water to get under the welds or anything like that and start rusting out. But so far, it looks pretty good. Now we're just doing that side. You can see the whole area is welded up. Gone over the welds a few times as well.
go.